Today, I'm going to show you how to log into your Slack account. Whether you're collaborating with your team or managing projects, getting into Slack is quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you like. Next, type in the URL www.slack.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button in the top right corner. Now you'll be prompted to enter your workspace URL. This is usually in the format of yourworkspace.slack.com. If you're not sure what it is, check with your team or the person. And once you've entered your email, click continue again. Slack will then send you an email with a confirmation link. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it, be sure to check your spam folder. Once you find the email, click the link. This will redirect you back to Slack and you should be logged in. If you prefer the login with your password, after entering your email, you can choose the option to enter your password directly instead of using the email link. And that's it, you're all set to use Slack for all your team communication needs.